AC coils for this countertop Omega distiller. Omega countertop distiller. The coils need to be cleaned. And in some cases, this assembly, you can't avoid it. Taking the top off of this, it only has 3 screws, this particular brand. And the coils are right on top. Remove that, and try soapy water, warm soapy water. And a paintbrush works well with this situation because they're very delicate. And taking that paintbrush and just going between the coils with some hot soapy water, or if you have some coil cleaner for this, this is what you're going to have to do. And making sure you don't get the electrical too wet. And if you happen to get it wet, I used a heat gun. I held it away from it and just threw heat around it to get the water off of the wires. Diversity 2. If it has coils, it needs to be cleaned, or they need to be cleaned, because of the dust that's all over the place. Whether even when you're cleaning, dust, you can't see it. It's going to get sucked on those coils, whether it's a AC unit or this particular Omega countertop distiller. The coils need to be cleaned. In this case, I had to remove 3 small screws, and the top lifts up, and the coils are right there. I tried warm soapy water with a paintbrush. The reason I use a paintbrush is because the scrub brush, the bristles were too short. But the paintbrush is going to get inside those coils and get all of that lint and dust out. And sometimes that's not enough. You may need some coil cleaner. Some of this looked like it built up, turned to grease to me. So doing some deep cleaning there. And if perhaps the wiring on this gets wet, you can use a hair dryer. I use my heat gun, but not too close. I held it at a distance and just ran around it and blew warm air on it and dried that area out. But again, if it has coils, it needs to be cleaned in order for the units to work. Real simple. This assembly, you can't get around it. You just have to do it if you want your system to work properly. If it has coils, it needs to be cleaned. Diversity 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.